The top 5 best chainsaw for carving recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Husqvarna 120 Mark Roman 216 in gas chainsaws. Pick up a gas-powered chainsaw from Husqvarna with enough power to handle your everyday tasks. The Husqvarna 120 is built for homeowners who need a lightweight and efficient cutting tool. Featuring an X-Torque engine for lower fuel consumption and emissions, this gas-powered chainsaw is ready for tree pruning, hobby work, and other light tasks. Easy to start, simple to use, and a smart tool to have in your shed or garage in any season. Recommendation number 2. WRX WG 303.1 14.5 amp 16 electric chainsaw. The powerful 16 14.5 amp electric chainsaw is packed with modern conveniences that make it easy to use. The auto-tensioning and auto-lubrication systems make sure this saw is always in peak operating condition. These features provide the user with a perfectly tightened and well-oiled chain, which not only significantly increases the cutting efficiency, but also extends the life of the tool. The chain brake shuts the chain down quickly when you need it to. The metal spike bumper grabs into the wood so you have a safer, smoother cut. Recommendation number 3. Black Plus Decker 20 VMAX * cordless chainsaw kit. You enjoy doing work around the house, inside and out. When you see that one of your trees has a branch that looks like it is going to fall, you take matters into your own hands. Grabbing the Black & Decker 20 VMAX cordless chainsaw, you know that you'll have this taken care of in the blink of an eye. The 10 premium Morgan low kickback bar and chain provides smooth and fast cuts. The 20 VMAX Lithium 2.0 battery charger will charge battery in 5 hours, providing hours of use. The wraparound bail handle provides increased control and comfort. Recommendation number 4. Chainsaw Gas 14 in Bar 30.5 XC. Chainsaw Fuel type gas. Bar length 14 in. Engine displacement 30.5 ek. Automatic chain oiler. Anti-vibration handle yes. Fuel tank capacity 8.5 Oz. Replacement chain MFR. No. 91 VG52CQ. Includes chainsaw, bar, chain, 2-stroke oil. Operator's manual. Recommendation number 5. DeWalt 20 VMAX * XR chainsaw kit. This cordless chainsaw kit adds versatility to your battery system. Gas-free operation eliminates the cold starts, fumes, carburetor issues, and maintenance involved with gas-powered chainsaws. Use it to cut beams, do demolition work, and manage tree limbs. This battery-operated chainsaw is built to handle tough construction and outdoor work. The lightweight design maximizes user control. Its brushless motor technology delivers extreme runtime and long motor life. Kit includes a 5.0 odd 20 VMAX * battery, charger,